Hello friends, I am your friend Manoj from Paras Gardening Solutions. Today we will talk about a plant whose name is Gazania lans. Today's video is based on the Gazania plant. In this we will tell you how you can plant Gazania at home and how to get beauty in your garden from it. Before starting the video, you are requested that if you like our video then you should subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to also that the notification of our other upcoming videos can reach you first as well as the video. Like and comment and tell us how you liked our video. So let's start the video on the complete introduction and care of Gazania's plant. Grow Gazania treasure flowers for vibrant garden gems. Also known as African daisy, Gazania treasure flowers are regarded as a truly unique bedding and ground cover specimen for the landscape. Robust and easy to grow, plants are at home across a wide range of conditions, including those that are especially hot or experience prolonged periods of drought. In this article, we will explore the plant's unique cultural needs and how to care for Gazania flowers in greater detail. Botanical name Gazania. Height 6 to 12 inches. 15 to 30 centimeters. Spread 6 to 9 inches. 15 to 23 centimeters. Sun exposure, full sun. Soil requirements, neutral, well draining. Hardiness zones, USDA zones 9 to 11. When to plant spring. Gazania treasure flower care. Light. Treasure flowers bloom best where they can receive full sun. As each bud's ability to open fully is directly related to sunlight, allow for at least 6 to 8 hours of direct light each day. Gazania grown in shaded beds will often bloom poorly or may even fail to flower completely. Temperature and humidity. Gazania flowers are known for their ability to thrive under difficult growing conditions. This makes them ideal for growth in warmer regions that experience prolonged periods of heat. But despite their hardy nature, these plants may still struggle when exposed to extreme temperatures, such as those above 100°F, 38°C. Though summer highs are unlikely to face the plant, treasure flowers are sensitive to high humidity. Therefore, they are best grown in gardens where conditions will remain relatively dry. Water. In most regions, Gazania will receive enough rainfall to meet its needs over the course of the growing season. Still, supplemental irrigation may be helpful in areas with especially low humidity or that experience prolonged periods of drought. Between waterings, garden soil should be allowed to dry completely to avoid oversaturating the beds. Fertilizer. Treasure flowers do not generally require fertilization. Though finished compost can be worked into the soil at planting time, beds that are excessively rich may negatively impact the plant's ability to produce flowers. In regions where Gazania behaves as a perennial, annual feeding in early spring may be helpful in maintaining vigor and promoting bloom. Soil. Gazania plants are known for their ability to thrive under less than ideal soil conditions. This includes soils with poor fertility and those that are especially sandy or rocky. Though neutral soils are ideal, you can successfully grow this flower in beds that are slightly acidic as well. Problems, pests and diseases. Provided proper cultural conditions have been met, treasure flowers are relatively carefree but remain vigilant of common garden problems like powdery mildew or other fungal diseases. Various types of rot may also be of cause for concern where plants experience poor drainage. Aphids and mealybugs are likely to visit the flower, but only seldom lead to severe damage. Flowering and pruning. You can expect the treasure flowers bloom period to begin in spring and reach into early summer. You can extend the duration of its flower production by deadheading. Removing spent blooms will prevent the plant from setting seed, aiding in the formation of new buds. Annual pruning in spring may also be helpful in maintaining the plant as a means of rejuvenation and size management. Gazania flower propagation. Gazania plants are most commonly grown from seed. Seeds are best sown indoors in trays in early spring. Seedlings can be moved outside once all chance of frost has passed and the soil has warmed sufficiently. Some of the most favorite varieties can also be propagated through stem cuttings by removing small segments of the plant and placing them into a moist growing medium. Under ideal conditions, the cuttings will root quickly and can be moved directly into flower beds. Use division methods to multiply larger, more established plants. Divide Gazania plants by lifting them from the soil and gently splitting them into smaller plants. Container growing Gazanias. Most varieties of treasure flowers will grow well in containers. At planting, special attention should be given to drainage. This means that both containers and selected potting mixes should allow water to move freely. Potted specimens can easily be overwintered indoors to preserve them until spring. So now you must have understood how to grow Gazania's plant at home. If you liked this video, then please share it. Stay connected for information about other such plants. Just keep these few small things in mind. Your plant will always enhance the beauty of your house and will also provide you with beneficial and pure air. This is the end of today's video. Let's meet in another video to talk about the care of another plant. Till then, bye friends, happy gardening.